Hi, welcome back to Mechanic Garage. Just a quick video to see what's in there. If you watch the other video, there's something in cylinder 4. So I bought myself a magnetic stick. The one I had, the magnet was too big to get on the plug up. So I bought this one, a little cheaper one, probably only ever use it this time. So I'm going to poke it down the hole, have a good circle around inside for half an hour, and see what we've got. If anything comes out and it's magnetic, then we've got to take the head off because that's bad. I was thinking, all these bits that fell down inside probably were in the plug holes around the plugs themselves, because when I changed the camshafts, I would have scraped off the well seal and the gasket material and stuff around it. They've probably then gone down around the plugs. I don't think I took the plugs out when I did it, because I don't see why I would have. But something's gone wrong. I think that's where it is, and I'm hoping it's nothing disastrous, because there would have been flecks of bits and bats and just gaskety stuff rather than anything metal. Now, if nothing comes out on the end of my magnet, we might be all right. It's still got the damp issue in there. We'll come to that later. Right, I haven't tried anything yet, obviously. Gonna stick my little magnet in and see what happens. Might just get stuck to the cylinder bore. I put it at bottom dead centre so I can get a good sweep around inside, hopefully. Might have to curl it a little bit to be able to get into the edges. Hopefully you can see, not just back of my head. Turn that round and try and, there's not a lot of movement. Bring it out without touching. Nothing. Just trying again with a bit more angle. And the problem is getting it down the plug hole then. Yeah, that's not working. The danger I've got is it's literally going straight into the centre and I can't tell. Get limited movement because you've got to go in fairly straight. Again, spotless. Right, see if this will actually work long enough to see if I can see where they are for starters. I doubt I can get this in there as well, but I shall try. No, I can't. Okay. Ah, right, okay, we're getting there. So, for starters, can I get anywhere near that one? That's a bit there. Please stay still, camera. Can I get this to bend around a bit to go in there? I mean, that one there hasn't picked up. There's a bit right on the left hand side of the screen. Whether I've been close enough to it or not, I don't know. Right, I'm it. If that's, I'm on the piston there. I don't know if you can see it very well. Oh, there you go. At least now for scale, I know that whatever that is, it's about half the size of the magnet. Oh, it's moved. I don't think it is magnetic. Oh, wind's picking up. If that was magnetic, I would have probably got it by then, because they're right on it. You can see it there, look. It's moving the camera every time I look in there. Don't go off. rubbish camera. It's a Wi-Fi thing off bloody Temu or somewhere. Where am I now? Where's the magnet gone? Where's the magnet gone? Can't even see it. Right, okay, we're right slap bang in the middle. So, where's that other piece? There, can I get to that? I do know that that's the inlet side. And the magnet's in the middle. I mean, looking at that, look, it's soaking wet. It has to be. Has to be then. Oh, hang on, there we go. No, stop. This is just like not easy. I've been close enough to that now. Whatever that top piece, right in the very, very top, you can't make it out very easily. Whatever that bit there is, next to, right at the top of the screen, it cannot be magnetic, which means it can't be metal. Well, not metal that would be in here. I'm touching it there. Yeah, don't move the camera. The magnet was actually touching it, it moved it. Come on, move so I can see. Move so I can see. There you go, right, that. No. I'm literally on it. I'm touching it then, and it hasn't moved. So I can't see that that is metal. I'm on the piston now, touching it. And I've moved it. And these bits, nothing's coming out. There you go, I'm touching it there. I've just nudged it. And it isn't. There you go, I'm on it. That's me sat on top of it. Right, what the hell is it? Because it isn't moving, it's not picking it up. I reckon that's just a bit of gaskety seal and stuff, because for scale wise, it's it's half the size of the magnet. Come on, camera work. Stop jamming up, pen and backside. Oh, hang on, there you go. There. Oh, that is metal. Is it? It picked it. Is it? No, it might just be because it's wet, because that's not magnetising onto it. That's just a bit of gaskety stuff. It wouldn't make sense. Don't freeze now, stupid bloody camera. Okay, right. That has stuck to it. The chance of me getting the camera out with that on it and this out with it still on it are pretty slim, I think. Whatever it wasn't magnetic, it was just goo stuck to it, unless obviously I didn't pick it up and it's fell back in. Right, go back to plan B, I think it was. Copper rest air in there. Ideally what I need to do is catch what's in here, but I'm not going to be able to do so. I'm just going to see if anything comes out, see what happens. That smells petrol-y. Oh no, that's not, I thought that'd come out of there. That smells petrol-y. Doesn't smell coolanty. Wonder if that's why it's wet. I'd like that if it's wet because it's fuel. Could it just be a carburettor that's dumping fuel in, which is why it can't run properly? Doesn't start properly. Give this a good rummage round. Hopefully the camera will work. You can actually see what's what in there. So if I've got a carburettor fault, that could be making this wet in here. It might not be cool, because it doesn't lose any coolant, it doesn't blow any coolant out. But that definitely smelled the petrol as soon as it started blowing that out of there then. Right, I'm just going to put these plugs back in, keep any water out. But that might be good news. Because if I got a carb that's just dumping fuel and not sealing, that would make it wet inside. Just nip them down, they don't have to be tight. And if that is petrol, then that's a good sign. I was pricing up the bits yesterday. Wind's picking up again. I was pricing up the bits last night, and it's not ridiculously expensive, but it's more expensive than I want to spend if it doesn't need anything doing. Right, I'm going to give it up. It's chucking it down now. But that's potentially good news. Potentially good news. Yeah. Fingers crossed, eh? Fingers crossed it's a carburettor issue and not a head gasket issue. So, it doesn't give any other symptoms. There's no oil in the coolant. Sorry, no coolant in the oil or anywhere. Because normally if the head gasket's leaking, it'll drop coolant into the bore and then down into the oil. And it isn't. The oil's spotless. I don't know. Anyway, it's only a quick video. A bit longer than it should have been, because faffing around with the camera don't work. So, thanks for watching. Hopefully, we're alright. Hopefully we're alright. Cheers.